In this video, I'll be diving a little deeper into how to help people get acclimated into new virtual worlds. So let's go ahead and get started. As I've mentioned in my best practices article, Coordinating Environment and Story in XR, virtual environments can be overwhelming at first, especially to people who aren't used to XR. So in addition to creating a convincing immersive experience, it's also important to ensure that people have time to acclimate and learn the rules of this new world. Immediately throwing them into an experience as soon as they launch the app could result in them missing important content. That's because they may still need to make adjustments to the headset or the controllers. Giving them control over when to start and stop the experience, as opposed to starting the main content immediately on launch, will allow them to take the time to make any adjustments and acclimate to the new world before jumping into the main goals of the experience. You also don't want to throw them into the experience and immediately expect them to perform intensive tasks, since they can quickly become overwhelmed and not know how to proceed. First Contact is a sandbox playground experience that was released in 2016 with the original Oculus Rift headset. This experience helps you get over the initial awe factor of their virtual world by loading you into the playground surrounded by retro electronics that are powered off. There is an unobtrusive prompt placed in front of you to get you started with the experience whenever you're ready. The prompts include a small sign with a corresponding gesture and a highlight of the finger you use to interact with the controller. Then, step by step, they slowly teach you the interactions at your own pace using NPC or non-player character behaviors, sound, and highlighted objects in the environment. What's especially stunning is how delightful and compelling they make the entire experience while you're learning how to interact with this new world. I highly encourage you to check it out for yourselves if you have access to an Oculus headset. I've included the link below in the show notes. So for a quick recap, give people time to adjust to the new world before jumping into the main goals of the experience. Don't throw them into the experience and immediately expect them to perform intensive tasks. Let them initiate the start of the main experience when possible. Once they do start the experience, have them start off with simple interactions and ease them into the various interactions as the experience progresses. Don't obstruct their view with UI elements that disrupt the experience. And give a clear path to exit the experience with plain everyday language.